1 large latte with a vanilla shot.
1 large latte with a vanilla shot.
So, okay, let's go back to we'll just break it down even more. So, so let's just say, so 1.
So 1.
So.
So.
You've got a little bit of a z going in there. So wie ein so. Wir machen kein so. It's more like a so. So.
So.
So.
So.
Yeah, so.
So.
1. So 1 large.
So 1 large.
Very nice. Latte.
Latte.
So 1 large latte with a vanilla shot. Just the vanilla. Vanilla shot.
Vanilla shot.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
That's it. Vanilla.
So 1 large latte with a vanilla shot.
Vanilla shot. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Vanilla shot.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Okay. To have here or take away.
To have here or take away.
So on the word have, you're going for a hef. You're heffing something. We're not heffing it. We're have. To have here or take away.
To have. No.
Have.
Have.
Have. Yeah.
Have. To have here or take away.
So, so when you say the word very.
Very.
Yeah, very. That's where you need to hit the V and the word have. So go have very.
Have very.
Have very.
Every.
Havery.
Heavy.
Okay, and then just have.
Have.
Perfect. Yeah, so make sure that you get the V in there. So to have here or take away?
To have here or take away.
Perfect. No problem at all. You're welcome.
No problem at all. You're welcome. Yep.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
At all. So what you're going to do is you're going to change that word from at all to at all.
No problem at all.
Perfect.
No problem at all.
Yeah, that's very English. You sound great. No problem at all. You're welcome. You're welcome.
No problem at all. You're welcome.
Hey, perfect.
Yes.
Yeah. That's great.